Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you were with us in previous videos, you know what we are doing in here. However, if you are new to the channel, we are discussing about work hacks, tips, tricks in our day-to-day work. So you will be able to save some valuable time for your valuable work. So let's go into today's video. Today I thought giving you an update about Python in Excel. So Excel has been integrated with Python. So let's see how we can use that power of Python to do certain tasks in Excel. So let me show you how we are going to do that. First of all, I have set of data and it says different format. Let me show you how I am going to convert this into a standard date format using Python. For that, I'll be calling Python first. Putting equal, I'm typing py calls the Python. So now we are brought our Python in, and now I'm using pandas. You will know about pandas in near future. Until now, we haven't discussed about these advanced analytics and in Python. So let's call pandas. PD. Now we have called the panda. So next is I am going to convert my dates to underscore date time. So that is my Python formula, and I'm closing my brackets, and inside that I'm referring my cell. And once we refer that cell, you will see that Excel term appears here, giving that this data is picked from Excel. So let's see. For that, you have to press Control Enter to get the output. So it is working on that. Let's see. It has given the date. Now simply you can drag and see if it is working for other dates as well. Now you can see, even though these dates are in different formats, this formula is capable of converting everything into a proper date format. Now if you look at this one, now you will see that Python is appearing here, and if you want to see that Excel view, you can choose it from here. See, Python object or Excel value. You can make it an Excel value. See, now it's a Excel value, right? You can switch back if you want. However, I am keeping this one because that is something useful for me to doing certain analytics on the Excel. So I hope you have learned how we are using Python in Excel, and that will be making Excel a very powerful tool for analytics and all that, all these activities when you are doing with data analytics. I hope you have learned something new, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed us, just subscribe, and also like our video, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.